at hindi rin po ito team building. So this is a training. Since training po ito, we will have a very lengthy session na mangyayari. We will make it a point na maging magaang to sa inyo. Pagpasensya nyo po, hindi pa naka-aircon to, pero may propose po rito na naka-air condition to lahat para pag susunod na balik ninyo, wala na pong init dito.
The only way that you will earn your first million in this business is your organization. Kailangan ma-build nyo yan very, very fast. The fastest that you can build it.
President and CEO, Ma'am Mariel Astudillo. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Nakapag-breakfast na po lahat? Nakapag-train na rin lahat? Nakapag-zumba na rin lahat? Wow! Hindi lang ito yung drive. Hindi lang ito yung desire mo to become successful. Importante, bakit mo ginagawa ito? Your reasons. Yung malalim na kahulugan, malalim na dahilan kung bakit mo ginagawa ang mga kailangang steps to achieve your goals. Ano yung mga reasons mo? What could be your reasons?
Sumasayaw ng kung ano-ano. Taas ang kamay! Sino yun? Grabe, diba? Lahat tayo. Lahat tayo. First followers.